Today we have to talk about 6 tips to optimize your Elementor site. How fast a website loads and what kind of experience it offers irrespective of the device used to access it are perhaps the first two things that a visitor notices when it first lands on it. Learning how to optimize your website for performance and conversions is critical as that will ensure it is working exactly as hard as it should, leaving your visitors satisfied with the browsing experience. If you are on the website, chances are you are here to look for some information about WordPress. And if you have heard of WordPress, then you must have come across Elementor, the leading drag and drop website builder in the ecosystem. A bird's eye view of the WordPress site builder. If you have an Elementor site but have not yet fully optimized it, you are missing out on many incredible benefits. Elementor is a WordPress website builder for creating unique and visually appealing websites. It has an active community of over 8 million web creators. Elementor shows you the outcome of your design as you piece together various elements of web design, making the process quicker for you. The tool pairs easily with the plugins and works conveniently on any WordPress theme. Elementor offers intuitive navigators and menus which can be used even without HTML or CSS coding knowledge. The latest version, for example Elementor 3.4, comes with a few nifty UX centric features and improvements. It offers users the capability to design limitlessly with new design options. One can explore the menu cart with AJAX, load more video playlists, and dynamic WooCommerce tags. These functionalities help with marketing and other functions on the websites. As awesome as Elementor is out of the box, there is still room for improvement when it comes to plugin performance and your site's functionality. In this article, we will discuss 6 tips that will help you make use of that Elementor brings to the table while also optimizing the plugin for your site. Let us begin. First one is select a font loading method for increased page speed. Elementor enables its users to change the Google Fonts load method in the site. How these fonts are loaded can affect your site's loading. The Elementor team continually releases updates that tweak the way their plugin operates in terms of improving performance. The second one is resolve server configuration conflicts on your site. With the plugin, it is possible you could run into a server conflict. To minimize your hosting or server difficulties while using Elementor, you can use a simple switch which you can access by going to the core Elementor settings. Click Elementor setting advanced to enable the switch font and editor loader method under editor loader to resolve server configuration conflicts. Third one is optimize your site layout. To make your website interactive and user-friendly, Elementor offers different layouts to add design to your website. There are various options such as grid format or masonry style which you can choose based on what works well with your site's content. The fourth one is compress site visuals without hampering quality. Image optimization is a critical factor when improving your site's overall performance. Customers are looking for more visual content and want faster loading websites. To decrease website load time, you must optimize your images. The fifth one is improve performance with DOM output and asset loading functions. The latest version of Elementor includes a number of performance highlights such as improved assets loading and accessibility. The new version reduced the JS assets file sizes by pulling supports for older browsers such as the Internet Explorer. The last and sixth one is choose and manage your plugins affectionately. Elements has its own built-in features but it easily integrates and manages plugins for a more customized requirements. For instance, Elementor integrates well with renowned WordPress plugins such as WooCommerce, Yoast, Rank Math, ACF, Toolset, Pods, Lean Dash, Tutor LMS, and MemberPress.